Hey, how you doing? My name's Elton, and this is Developing .NET Framework Apps with Docker. I'm a Microsoft Azure MVP and a Docker captain. I've been using .NET since the first release in 2002, and Docker since version 0.7 back in 2014. I worked for Docker for 3 years, and now I'm an independent consultant helping organizations move their applications to containers. So I have a lot of experience running .NET apps in Docker. People naturally think of Docker as the runtime for new applications, architected as lots of small, stateless services. But I'm here to tell you, you can run any apps in containers, even your 10-year-old .NET monoliths. And in this course, Developing .NET Framework Apps with Docker, you'll learn that the benefits of containers apply just as much to your older .NET applications. First, you'll learn how to build and package .NET apps using Docker. We'll use an old .NET 3.5 WCF app, so you'll see how you can move to containers with no code changes, and without even having the source code for your applications. We'll also package a new .NET 4.8 app, so you'll see how you can use Docker to compile your applications too. Then you'll learn how to set up your containers so you can inject configuration settings in and read application logs back out, so your .NET Framework apps will behave just like modern apps when they're running in containers. Next, you'll learn how to model your .NET apps to run in a container platform using Docker Compose and Kubernetes. Kubernetes is especially appealing because it's supported on all the major clouds, so it gives you a good path to get your older applications running on a managed service. Lastly, you'll learn techniques for troubleshooting .NET apps in containers, including hints for tracking down Windows setup and networking issues, and debugging running containers with Visual Studio. By the end of the course, you'll have the skills and knowledge to Dockerize .NET Framework apps with production-ready best practices, and you'll be ready to start migrating your own apps to run in containers. So join me and bring your .NET apps into the modern world with Developing .NET Framework Apps with Docker right here on Pluralsight.